Meaning of Dorothy Parker.
Dorothy Parker.
Dorothy Parker.
Dorothy Parker.
Dorothy Parker. Dorothy Parker was an American writer, poet, and critic who lived from 1893 to 1967. She is well known for her wit, humor, and sharp tongue, which earned her a reputation as one of the most quotable writers of the 20th century. Parker was a member of the Algonquin Round Table, a group of writers and intellectuals who met regularly in the 1920s and 1930s. Her works include short stories, poetry, essays, and screenplays, and she was also a political activist and member of the Communist Party.